Hello children, this video is the conclusion of the 5-year plans and its different aspects. In this video, I will discuss features, success and failures of 5-year plans. So let us start with the features. 5-year plans focused on centralized planning economy. As we know, India was opted to become a mixed economy, but the central authority or government was to take key role in deciding what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. So we can say it was a centralized planning system. Accordingly, the public sector had an important and major role, while private sector was given limited and controlled role. Along with this, foreign competition was reduced and Indian industries were promoted so that it will take roots and it will grow. Accordingly, small scale industries and heavy industries were promoted so that India will have its own production capacity. Now let us go to the success points. The first success we can notify is increasing national income and per capita income. Due to this, saving level and investment level also has risen in our country, and we have domestic investment available compared to the times before independence. Due to investment and government efforts, infrastructure was developed well during the 5-year plans. Infrastructure in economic areas, for example roads, bridges, railway lines and such things were developed. Along with the social area of infrastructure like schools, colleges, hospitals and other services which were important for quality of life were also developed. Besides this, agricultural sector and industrial sector was given priority so that India will be self-sufficient and it will not import from foreign countries. Now let us move to the points of failures. We can see, in spite of all these efforts and planning of government, India has been struggling still with many problems such as poverty and unemployment, which is a major issue for our economy since British rule and still persists. Then inflation or price rise has been very high during the 5-year plans. It also erodes the quality of life. Then we can say that national income has increased, but its distribution has not been equal. So it increases the gap between rich and poor. We can say the distribution of income is unequal or skewed. Then infrastructure, we have discussed here, it was developed, but it is still not sufficient. You can see still schools are crowded, hospitals are crowded, railways, buses are not sufficient as we need. So we can see that the features, success and failures of planning give you a clear idea of the 5-year plans. I will carry on different area wise implementation of plan in further videos. Thank you.